Hey guys, this is just an update on the Monster Bandit with the Stampede tires. I have the Traxxas heavy duty shocks, and I put the Rustler axles on it with the 12mm hubs. It's got the bumpers on the front, wheelie bar on the back. Other than that, it's stock, but these improvements, upgrades have made this thing into a dirt monster and actually a bashing monster. I've got some video I want to show you guys. We're going to see how fast it goes in the grass and on the dirt now, because it has been geared like a Stampede with a 1686 gearing. But I want to see how fast it was in the grass and how fast it was on the pavement now. And we're going to jump this thing and show you what a great basher it is now. It's a great idea if you don't have the money to upgrade to like an E-Revo 2.0 or Armin Notorious or Creighton. You can just put some big wheels or tires on your Rustler or Bandit and turn it into a basher.
Let's see how fast the Monster Bandit goes in the grass. Dirty! In the grass? We're gonna see how fast this thing goes on the pavement. That's pretty good.
Hey guys, you're going to be impressed on how this Bandit jumps. It's not like your normal Bandit. Check it out. Okay guys, I hope you're impressed with the Bandit's off-road capabilities now and the jumping. Me and the kids had a really good time jumping this thing today, and it's an upgrade. If you guys don't want to spend the money to buy something bigger, if you don't have the money to do it, you can upgrade piece by piece. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys later.